Scathing critique. ZANU-PF member Kuza Mtshisi has lambasted supporters of opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, calling them either too slow or delusional. Mtshisi's remarks comes after Professor Ncube recent admission that Chabangu has taken charge due to strategic ambiguity, a phrase Kuza Mtshisi interprets as political stupidity. Kuza Mtshisi has predicted Chamisa's downfall last year and now claims it has been fulfilled. He asserts that Chamisa's closest allies are actively working against him, ensuring his political demise. The ZANU-PF members' comments have sparked heated debate on social media, with some defending Chamisa's leadership while others decry the infighting within the opposition ranks. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.